beautiful to see people from the beginning to the end, how they opened up and how they were willing to share. So it made me reflect on myself, and it was very just like, I would use the word empowering, like I'm a part of this community, and it was emotional and inspiring. Loved it.
Because I usually do normal yoga, but that was like a new kind of yoga, and it was so relaxing that I even fell asleep, but it was incredible.
One out of 2 professionals is unhappy with what they do on a daily basis, which number is even higher for young adults. That is why we kick off Talent Courtyard to support young urban citizens of the world to tackle this problem. At TC we create retreats for individuals and also offer unique team building activities for businesses with an immersive experience in a natural scene. This includes mental health, personal development and art workshops and a number of fun activities. Talent Courtyard is about personal development, but also about community building, making new friends, creating something new together, pushing boundaries, and finally, reconnecting with each other and ourselves.
I really liked the dynamic of the whole day. It was really intense. And my favorite one was the music workshop.